Are you sure you can trust me? If you want to make money and retire early, you should, and in today's video, I'll tell you why. You probably don't know me, and I probably don't know you, so why should you take advice from a stranger on YouTube? Well, that's a fair question. You're watching Mac, Travel and Finance. I retired early at the age of 46, and I've lived on 3 different continents. You need me, and today I'm going to tell you why. Well, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not an accountant, and I'm not a certified financial planner. But in today's video, I'll reveal to you what I am. Later on in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how much money I had saved by the time I left my parents' house. And I think that number is going to surprise you. You may already know I fully retired at the age of 46. As a matter of fact, my wife and I both retired at the same time 3 years ago. And a secret? We're better off today than we were when we retired. And that's a polite way of saying in retirement, our net worth has risen. So how is that possible? Are we eating bologna sandwiches and cat food for every meal? Are we sitting around our house all day playing Sudoku? No. Since retiring, we've traveled to Ireland, Montreal, Colorado, California, New Mexico, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and on Monday, we're leaving for Maine. We aren't just holding on in retirement, our lives are improving in retirement. Let me ask you a question. Are you satisfied with where you're at financially? Do you need valuable advice from someone that you can relate to? Retirement and travel are not just something that I talk about, it's something that I live. Maybe you're thinking I made hundreds of thousands of dollars a year over the course of my career. Well, I didn't. Maybe you're thinking I have some special training or education that you don't. No, I'm actually pretty dumb. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Here are some things that I am not. I am not somebody who came from a wealthy family. I am not someone who won the lottery. I am not someone who's trying to sell you anything. And at this point, I am not a very polished YouTuber. And now that you know what I'm not, let me tell you what I am. I am someone who has lived in Japan, Germany, and Hawaii. I am someone who has traveled to 25 countries and counting. I am someone who has spent a lot of time researching the ways that I could make the most of my money. And I am someone who sacrificed earlier in my life so that I could be exactly where I'm at today. So how can I help you? Well, I can share my experience of really having done it. And you and we can grow on YouTube together. I started this YouTube channel because I understand that life is best played as a team sport. Over the last few years, if we haven't learned anything, we've learned that we need each other. You need me because I have valuable information that you don't have. And I need you because without subscribers watching, I'm just a guy sitting in my office talking to my ceiling fan and my snoring dog. I didn't get to the point where I am today alone. I had mentors and others who helped me. Nothing would bring me more satisfaction than to see you win too. Subscribe to my channel and learn what led to my success. In future videos, I'll share strategies and websites that I used, books that I read, people I trust, and just how little money I made over the years to retire early at the age of 46. Earlier in this video, I promised that I'd share exactly how much money I had saved by the time I left my parents' house. You ready for that number? Right around $200. Now, I had advantages over the course of my career that you'll never have, and you have advantages that I'll never have. Everyone's situation is different, but I started with just $200. If I can make this happen, you can do it too. Listen, I don't have any fancy titles. I don't have any streets named after me. I'm just a dude who has information that can help you succeed. You and we can win together. So ask yourself, are you doing as well right now as you could be financially? And now that you've answered no, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Today's verse is Matthew 16:26. For what will it profit a man if he gains the whole world and forfeits his soul? Or what shall a man give in return for his soul? In my next video, I'll share strategies that you can use to save money fast. If you didn't see my last video on the importance of emergency funds, click on that now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.